Ghost Hunters International. Only on Sci-Fi. Imagine Greater.
She's almost as loud as her daddy.